हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम। उम्मीद है आप सब लोग खैरियत से होंगे। आज मैं आपको केमिस्ट्री यानी कि मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल के बारे में कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन बता रही हूँ। वीडियो देखने से पहले मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा। अब आपने क्रोम या गूगल खोलना है। मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल, ये पूरी मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल बनी हुई है। The periodic table, also known as the periodic table of the elements, arranges the chemical elements into rows and columns. It is an organizing icon of chemistry and is widely used in physics and other sciences. इसके बाद what is called modern periodic table? The modern or long form of the periodic table is based on the modern periodic law. The table is the arrangement of elements in increasing order of their atomic numbers. The modern periodic table is the present form of the periodic table and it consists of 18 vertical columns and 7 horizontal rows. जो modern periodic table है ना वो 18 vertical columns पे मुश्तमिल है और 7 horizontal rows पर. Who proposed modern periodic table? हर्नी मॉजले ने मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल को प्रपोज किया. द मॉडर्न पीरियोडिक टेबल वाज इन्वेंटेड बाय हेनरी मॉजले in 1913. The first who was able to arrange all the known elements was Mendeleev. He gave the law called the Mendeleev's periodic law. Dobrynin grouped the elements into traits. Newlands gave the law of octaves. What is the modern periodic table and its features? Features of modern periodic table. There are 18 vertical columns known as group in the modern periodic table which are arranged from left to right and 7 horizontal rows which are known as periods. The elements of this group form salts. They are noble gases and under normal conditions they are inert. Which country is modern periodic table? The first periodic table to become generally accepted was that of Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869. He formulated the periodic law as a dependence of chemical properties on atomic mass. What are the 5 features of modern periodic tables? Modern periodic table के 5 features बता रहे हैं. इसके 5 features हैं. All the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic number. The horizontal rows are called periods. The elements are placed in periods based on number of shells in their atoms. Vertical columns in periodic table starting from top to bottom are called groups. Why modern periodic table is called long form? The modern periodic table is called as long form of periodic table since in comparison to Mendeleev's periodic table, it is longer and have the capacity to not only accommodate those elements which have been discovered but also which are yet to be discovered. What is the modern period law? Modern period law क्या है? Modern periodic law can be started as the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. ये modern periodic law की definition है. Who introduced periodic law? Periodic law को किसने introduced किया? The periodic law was developed independently by Dmitry Mendeleev and Lothar Meyer in 1969. Mendeleev created the first periodic table and was shortly followed by Meyer. They both arranged the elements by their mass and proposed that certain properties periodically recur. How many groups are there in modern periodic table? Modern periodic table में कितने groups हैं? 7 periods हैं और 18 groups हैं modern periodic table में. There are 7 periods and 18 groups in modern periodic table. What is the importance of modern periodic table? और modern periodic table के यहाँ पे importance बता रहे हैं. The table can be used to predicate the properties of elements, even those that have not yet been discovered. Columns and rows indicate elements that share similar characteristics. The table makes trends in element properties apparent and easy to understand. What are two uses of modern periodic table? Scientists use the periodic table to quickly refer to information about an element like atomic mass and chemical symbol. The periodic table's arrange also allows scientists to discern trends in elements' properties, including electronegativity, ionization energy, and atomic radius. अब सेवन सिक्स मेन फीचर्स हैं हमारे पीरियोडिक टेबल पे के यहाँ पे